Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoza Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. In the video leseculator lapha kuma social media platforms Pakistan abonakala atendela iCoke kesana, and people are saying ukuthi this is really bad because kunini sikhuluma lenzaba lena kunini abangenelwe etitolo mandiya akukhishwa titoko tabo, but it seems like they are still continuing ngokwenda kudla lokungase right. Imagine but manufacturer amacoke abo. But this is so sad. This is really sad. And ngendlela amaningi ngakhona mabasuka lapha bayisa lapha etitolo tabo siyathenga siyanatha siyagula. So people are just even asking themselves ukuthi bawenda ngani, bawathathaphi ama-ingredients okwenda la macoke lawa emfuqudo. Guys, this is so sad. This is really sad. So someone was taking a video alo decided kuyilika le video that is circulating now kuma social media platforms. Wakhomba abantu ukuthi yini nephaphamani mandiya ave atonibulala enanto sibulala sicethe because seqwele wona titolo letiningi nje seqwele mandiya, and noma bakhutwa kangakanani ngokudendela tinto tabo bathi nje asiyekeli, bathi nje thina sidonika ama-snacks sinika ama-coke lesitendela ona thina nento wanatha and siyawathenga. This is really sad. So people are saying ukuthi akunabantu abangathengi tinto emandiyeni, but guys yotithenga tinto if singatithenga emandiyeni because mandiya futhi nje ngiwo lasaqole ilungele livelisa isitolo nje uyalapha esitolo ekhona nemandiya uyalapha mandiya they are everywhere. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.